What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Shoot. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today it is Mariee. Stop. Wait, Carter, stop. Okay. God, child. YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get a notification every time we post a video. And today it is just me and Mr. Carter. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, today we will be making slime.
Yeah.
So I'm a little nervous. I went to the store to get everything, and I literally forgot the paper bowls and the paper spoons. So he has, shush Carter. He has the ingredients was washable glue, food coloring, but I did not get the food coloring. I just decided to get colored glue, and then baking soda and contact solution. So Mr. Carter has the Galaxy blue, and I have more of like a glitter blue. So all right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Hold on, let me open it for you. Okay. All right, you're gonna squeeze it onto your plate. Oh, cool, that looks nice. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Alright, I think that's all I'm going to use. You need help? You want to squirt some more?
Yeah.
Let me help you. Oh, goodness.
It's bubbles.
Yeah, it made a big bubble, bruh.
Mama tight.
Okay. So, we got the glue. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
The other one,
Yeah, it's on your arm. Okay, so the instructions said to use contact solution. It said 3 tablespoons of the contact solution.
Please.
So
My plate.
hold on.
Please.
I have to open it, baby.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, let me get this.
It said 3 tablespoons of the contact solution. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to give myself 3 too. Okay, do you want to count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that's only 3. Yeah, it's only 3. So now it said one teaspoon of the baking soda. So we're gonna do. Maybe I should have been open this. You still using more glue? Honestly, guys, I don't know how this is going to come out because, yeah, this is our first time doing something like this with him. So I really don't know how this is going to come out. I forgot my plastic bowls and my plastic spoons. So Carter, just take this and stir it, okay? So, oh goodness, I'm so nervous. Okay. You stirring it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't like my plate.
Y'all, I do not know how this gonna come out, but I just literally, I don't know. Let's just see. It don't say how long to stir it or nothing. Like, and I literally followed the ingredients. I got the washable glue, like it said. So
I'm mixing it.
You mixing it?
Yeah.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Cause yours looking a little, ooh, my child.
Come my top. Go. I want a blue. I want a blue.
Yeah, you have a galaxy blue.
Daddy blue?
Yeah.
I got a one tie too.
Yeah. Okay, here you go. You can go ahead. You can do it. So, a little bit about Mr. Carter. So, he's 2. He'll be 3 in March. He likes Hot Wheels. He loves Hot Wheels, and those are really expensive.
I want peanut.
He like PJ Masks. He like Paw Patrol.
Pop.
Mhm. And what else you like?
I like Howard.
Yeah, I already said Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels, PJ Masks, Paw Patrol.
And robots.
And yeah, my 2-year-old likes Roblox. I don't know how, I don't know when, but yeah, he likes Roblox. It's starting to get a little thick.
Okay, get out.
The TV cut off, yeah. It cut off by itself. So, yeah, he literally, I don't know what it is with the Roblox, but yeah. One day, I realized he had downloaded Roblox onto his tablet. And
What?
he played Minecraft too.
It is deep.
You like Minecraft?
Ooh.
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 Mmm.
I don't like this.
Huh?
Do you play
I don't know what this supposed to look like. Oh, hold on. Let me do some. You want to start mine? You want me to start yours?
Yeah.
Alright, because yours looking a little crazy.
Hey.
So, it said washable glue. And this is washable glue. That's washable glue. So, I should have printed out the directions, but whatever. We just gonna wing it.
I like the mice.
No,
Yeah.
that's mine.
And mice.
That's mine.
And yours?
Mm-hmm.
And mice.
Mm.
And mine is like like this.
Okay.
Ooh, you're paying. You're paying for. Hey, I'll be your butt. Big.
Yeah, he is. Honestly, he's really good with the camera. It's just, he's also shy. So when he starts to act shy, he starts like, yeah, what he just did. So, personally, I don't know how slime is supposed to be because I never played with slime. I don't want to touch this. I'm scared. This ain't ready. This ain't ready. This ain't ready. I ain't even.
You touch mine?
Yeah, I touched yours, but it ain't ready.
It's not ready?
Mm-mm. You gotta keep stirring.
Go, Mom, go. Go.
I'm going. You go, Carter. Go, Carter. Go, Carter.
Wait, nothing's in my pool.
Y'all, this right here, it's not as bad as I thought it would be with him, but
Look,
yeah,
what is that?
I see. Keep stirring it. So, yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it would be with him. I don't know how long I'm supposed to stir it up, but yeah, this ain't how slime's supposed to be. I don't think. Carter, what is we doing? Y'all, I do not know how long you supposed to stir the slime up. Like, I should have read the directions, right?
Wait.
I should have read the directions, y'all.
Where
Where you going?
You go like my hand.
Oh,
I go like my.
yeah. He done left. This ain't working. And I don't know how to make no slime. I should have freaking watched a video on it or something. Like, my husband was trying to get me to get like this slime making kit. Okay. He was trying to get me to get this slime making kit from the store. But,
I know this is.
I didn't want to do the kit. I want to actually, like, do it with him. Because the kit was really simple. And then the colors they had was like purple.
Go on your hands. Go on your hands.
Okay, honey. I'm not done. I'm not done.
Hey, I'm all done.
Look.
Ew!
This not slime, is it?
Yeah.
It is.
Go on your hands. Go on your hands. Please.
Please.
Yeah.
Now I gotta wash my hands.
Your hands are in inside of you.
Oh!
No.
Carter. You roll your eyes at me? Yeah. Carter do not be playing. Like, he telling me go wash my hands. Like, he be on it. He making sure everybody say excuse me. He making sure you say thank you. He making sure you say everything. He do not be playing. Y'all, he's serious right now. What you getting a wipe for? He got slime on the tablecloth that's gonna go in the trash, but whatever. Take it. So, I think this was a failure because we ain't do it right. So now I'm gonna have to go buy him some slime. I just knew we was gonna do it. Like, I just knew it was gonna work.
I came out. Okay?
Yeah. So, guys, it did not work. I'm gonna give this another attempt. Not right now, but I would give it another attempt. Don't know when. Maybe I'll watch a couple of videos and then we'll do it next time. Okay. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to everybody that subscribed. We really appreciate it. Can you say thank you for all the views? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
For all the views?
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye.